Hello guys! In this lesson, we're going to talk about Facebook page templates. Let's get started. When you properly set up your Facebook business page with the right page template for your business, you can attract your potential visitors to stay on your page, like your page, and follow you. The Facebook page templates that are available will control the tabs that will be visible on the top section of your Facebook business page. Also, it shows a different order of the tabs that are relevant to be shown on your page. Let's look at the different Facebook page templates that you can apply to your page. Go to your Facebook page and from the left menus, choose the Settings menu. Under Page Settings, click on the Templates and tabs. You'll be able to see the templates in this section. The current template applied to your Facebook will be shown here. In this case, the current template is a shopping template. Now click the Edit button to view more templates. Since the Shopping tab is the current template, it is shown at the top of the list. The Shopping template is designed to showcase the products that you are selling, making it easier for people to shop online. The default tabs are Events, Reviews, and Photos. The Business template is designed to help you manage your business. It will prioritize the Groups, Jobs, and Events tabs. Now here's what it looks like on your page. Next, the Venues template is designed to highlight relevant info like the venue's hours, location, and upcoming events. Here's an example page with the Events tab highlighting their upcoming events. The Nonprofit template is designed to highlight your nonprofit organization's cause and encourage people to donate. People can make a donation using their credit card or PayPal account. The Politicians template is designed to help the politicians reach their supporters and let them know their campaigns and share their content. Next, the Services template is designed to help people find your services and get in touch with their business. Here's an example page where they showcase their list of services. People can easily view the Services tab and check the services available for their customers. The Public Figure template is designed to help reach their supporters and communicate their message too. You can see on this page, the Reviews tab show feedbacks from other people, and also the videos and photos of this public figure. Next, the Restaurants and Cafes template is designed to highlight photos and important information about your restaurant's menu, hours of operation, and your location. The primary button here is Get Directions, and that will be displayed once you have set your business location. The Video page template is designed for video creators to showcase their video content on their page. You can see the Live, Videos, and Group tabs, which are prioritized in this template. You can also spotlight your featured videos here. Your videos are on the first part of your page, and people can click on the play button and watch the videos right away. Next, the Standard template is the default page template for most pages that are newly created. Below, you can see the tabs that are enabled on your page and the order in which they will appear on the top section of your page. In this page, the visible tabs are Services, Events, Reviews, and the other tabs are grouped under the More tab. You may notice that there are tabs which are not relevant to the page that you've created. We can remove these irrelevant tabs under the More tab and arrange the order of how these tabs are shown on our page. Just drag a tab in the position that you want it to be shown. Now here are the tabs in the order that we prefer. Now that you know about Facebook page templates, we can now proceed to the next topic. Set up a Shop tab on your page. I'll see you there.